Hello and welcome to Forbest Academy, and welcome to our AMC 10-12 preparation videos. In these videos, we're going to be breaking down past paper questions from the AMC 10 and 12, looking at the concepts involved and looking at how to problem solve to answer those questions. This week, we're looking at 5 AMC 10 past paper questions, and today's question: Team A and Team B play a series. The first team to win 3 games wins the series. Each team is equally likely to win each game. There are no ties, and the outcome of the individual games are independent. If Team B wins the second game and Team A wins the series, what is the probability that Team B wins the first game? So to answer this question, the first thing I'd like to do is to list out all of our possible outcomes. Because it's the first to win 3 games, the maximum number of games we can have is 5. We know this because you can't tie a game, so therefore by the time we reach 5 games, there must have been at least one team who's won 3. And what we're going to do here is we're going to look at all of the possibilities of A and B, of Team A winning the series, given that Team B has won the second game. So first off, let's assume that Team A has won the first game and Team B has won the second game. One possible outcome is that Team A has then gone on to win Game 3 and Game 4. And they haven't had to play Game 5, and they have then won the series because they've won 3 games. Another possibility is that Team A has won Game 1, Team B has won Game 2 because we've been told that. Team A has won Game 3, but then Team B has won Game 4, which means Team A needs to play and win Game 5 to win the series. Our final possibility with Team A winning the first game is that Team B win the second and Team B also win the third, leaving Team A needing to win the 4th and the 5th to win the series. And our final possible outcome is that Team B has won the first game, Team B has won the second game, and leaving Team A to win the last 3 games to win the series. Now, the common mistake to make here would be people would say, well, there's only one outcome here where Team B has won the first game, and we've looked at 4 possible outcomes. Well, we actually need to look at the probability of these events happening. So in the first instance, because we've been told that each team is equally likely to win each game, we know the probability of winning is a half. So therefore, the probability of A, B, A is going to be a half times a half times a half times a half, which is 1/16. The probability of A is going to be a half to the power of 5, which is 1/32. The probability of A is again a half to the power of 5, so 1/32. And the probability of BBAA is also 1/32. So we can see that this first outcome is twice as likely as the rest of my outcomes. Now, there's 2 ways we can think of this. One is we can add together all our possibilities here and work it out as a probability. Or we could use a little bit of common sense and say that, well, if we've got one possible outcome here where we win B, and we've got this outcome is twice as likely, it will be 1 out of 5. Well, let's work it out just to check that's correct. If I added together all of these probabilities, so 1/16 plus 1/32 plus 1/32 plus 1/32 will give me 5/32. So that is the total number of probabilities that Team A has won the series, given that Team B has won the second game. Now, the probability of Team B winning the first game is 1/32. So if we wanted the probability of that, given that we know Team A has won the series and Team B has won the second game, the probability of that will be 1/32 out of 5 over 32, which simplifies down to 1 out of 5. So our answer to this question is A. Thank you very much for watching this. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and please stay tuned for more AMC 10 breakdown videos coming later this week. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.